What's up guys, welcome. When I look for how to build apps on YouTube, Chris Heria's video comes on the very top with 120 million views. So I'm gonna try his exercises and see how effective they are, how easy and how hard they are. All right, let's start. Here we go.
Is going to have a mixture of fat burning exercises, ab sculpting exercises, and we're going to be using different exercises to target different areas.
Okay, he's telling what exercises he's gonna do today. So let's skip all these parts and get into the exercises directly.
Are you ready? The first exercise is going to be
First exercise is gonna be high knee taps. All right, let's go.
Let's go for it.
Heria music.
Make sure to stay breathing, guys. Just regulate that breathing.
All right.
And this, it's going to be a piece of cake. So right now we're getting our whole body moving, getting that heart rate up.
15 seconds
Start
more.
burning that fat. And this is also going to get our body ready so that when we move into those harder core exercises, it's really going to take a stronger effect because we get everything fired up.
All right. Whew. 15 seconds of rest.
Next one we have is Russian twists.
Moving a lot. So
Let's go right into it.
next exercise is gonna be Russian twist. So let me get the mat.
So legs up, keep those legs straight, touch one side, touch the other side.
Okay.
Keep that core tight, regulate that.
I started 5 seconds late, so I'll do 5 seconds extra, right?
Don't give up, guys. We're just getting started. Pace yourself. If you can go fast, challenge yourself, go for it. If you can only go slow, take it easy, chill. Eventually, you're gonna get a lot better at this.
Okay, the first exercise was
The most important thing is to make
make
sure
me
that
run out of
form
breath.
is
So
on
second
point,
exercise,
and everything else will progress.
getting a little
We're on our way
tough.
to six-pack abs,
So keep the
baby.
legs up.
Keep those core tight.
Yeah, I am trying, Chris. So the
All
first,
right. Next exercise we have is leg
all right,
raises.
leg raises.
You guys ready for that?
Third one.
Let's go for it.
So I'm gonna stick here. What is it?
All right, so all the way up, all the way down, and you want to come to about 6 inches off the ground.
Okay,
Make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Keep those legs straight.
so third exercise where the leg is involved. First one, kneecaps.
Heria
Second,
music.
lifting the legs high, doing the Russian twist. Third one, leg raises. Guys, you're gonna have to build your legs before trying these exercises, all right?
Heria music.
Here we go, almost there, guys. 5 more seconds.
All right,
3,
all right.
2,
Huh.
there we go. All right, next move, we have hip raises.
Okay. Let me just put it down a little bit.
All right, here we go, guys. This move, form is everything. Legs straight
2,
out, tight together.
1.
You're gonna bring them in, and you'll bring your body up, back down, straight out. Let's go for it.
Oh, again. Fourth movement that engages leg. Can you see me clearly, guys?
Form is everything on this one, guys.
Wow. It's hitting the upper abs well. Yeah. Keeping the hands wide, actually a bit
That
helpful.
breathing.
Wow. Three more seconds, one last. Whew. So, legs are tired. Wow.
All right.
Smart move.
Now you're starting to feel it, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next move we have
Again.
is flutter kicks. Let's go right into those.
Fifth exercise where the leg is engaged. One more time, right? Let's go.
Legs straight.
Okay.
Core tight from this position.
Okay,
One leg up.
Okay.
One leg down.
all right. Better go to gym, build your legs before trying Chris Heria's workouts, guys.
So this is an excellent
Not a
move
joke.
for tightening that core, strengthening that core, and also burning that fat. This is one of my favorites. I literally started off on this move right here. This is one of the first ones I ever did for abs.
Right. I'm feeling slightly heated. I'm slightly starting to sweat as well.
Excellent moves that targets that lower core. That's normally one of the most hardest places to hit.
2, 1.
Now let's go for some.
About to sweat now. Body's heated up. Knees to elbows.
Now we're gonna use a different angle to target those abs.
Okay.
All right, and also a different
What
flex
is it?
too. Let's go right into
So knees to elbows. All right. Plank.
You bring
Then.
one knee up, come back down, other one up, and come back
Okay.
down. Let's go for it.
Another exercise where the leg is involved. So, guys, you kind of understood by now. You have to have strong legs
Heria music.
if you want abs like Chris Heria does. He's doing a little fast, all right?
Heria music.
It's all about
You can
control.
hear
Keep that core tight
my
the whole
breathing,
time,
right?
guys. Don't ever loosen
So,
it.
breathing
That's
a
the
bit
most important
heavily,
part.
sweating,
Bring those knees up.
started to sweat,
All right.
body's
So now
warmed up.
we're gonna switch it up again. Hit another angle.
Okay,
We're gonna go into chair sit.
finally, another
This
exercise.
position, you wanna keep your
One
legs
exercise
up,
where
so that way you're automatically
the leg is not
engaging that
involved.
core. We're
Okay,
gonna put our hands, let's start with one side first. Activate that core. Keep that core tight.
all right.
Keep these feet up.
Heria music.
He's keeping his hands like this, I believe, to protect his mic. So, I'm keeping both my hands up. If I do this, yeah, for me it doesn't make
This
sense.
one is an ab killer, guys.
Ooh.
If you're doing this with me, hang in there. We're
Yeah.
almost there.
I'm with you, Chris.
Regulate that breathing.
Thanks, bro. The exercises are good enough.
You guys
5
go
more
up.
seconds.
Try to go up. Try to touch the ceiling. You guys really want to reach for it. Here we go. We're almost there.
Oh, there.
All right. So the next one we're gonna go for is seated in and outs.
Somebody called me.
Another
the middle of the
different
session.
angle. We're gonna go straight
Okay,
out.
answer.
Keep that core tense.
All right.
And bring them right back in. All right, guys.
Okay.
Go for it.
One
Try
more
to go
time.
all the way out, all the way in.
Where the leg is engaged.
Form is everything. Especially if there's a lot of beginners watching this right now, you want to start with perfect form because you're gonna grow
saying
off of perfect form.
for the beginners,
Start with sloppy
bro.
form. You're gonna grow.
Beginners
off of that
won't be
sloppy
able to
form.
do this,
You want
bro. So much of leg is involved. Anyways. Legs are tired.
that. If you need to stop, stop. Take that break, but keep going. Don't give up, no matter what. All right. We're gonna build that discipline. That's also just as important as working out. Because you're only as good.
I'll do 3 seconds
As you
extra
continue to
because I
push.
stopped
So,
somewhere.
that said, we're gonna move in to the last
Wow.
exercise, guys. We have
Okay.
jumping jacks.
What?
This
All
is
right.
gonna really
This one.
finish off the job right here. Get us those
What is it?
tag abs coming in.
He said jumping
go.
jacks.
So this is
Oh.
the last exercise, guys. Push it
Really?
as hard as you can. This one you don't want to stop. You want to give this everything we got at this last exercise.
All right, guys. He said this is the last exercise, right?
Build that discipline.
Frankly speaking,
That's what's first going to allow you to go on that extra reps, go on that extra time.
honestly speaking, this is the easiest.
Eventually, your
Ooh.
strength is going to catch up with it. You're going to progress super quick. But it's all in the mindset.
I don't know why he kept this
Almost there.
exercise at the end,
Almost there. Here
but
we
this
go.
is the easiest of all.
5 seconds. Hard, hard, hard.
Oh,
All right, so there you have it. Round 1 for those 6-pack abs, a routine that you can do anywhere.
so honestly speaking, guys, out of all the exercises, the very last exercise was the easiest. I was expecting the last one to be super tough as a finisher, but anyways. So the good part about this video is there's only 15 seconds rest, whether you like it or not. The 15 seconds rest period is over. You move on to another exercise. Keep hitting 45 seconds. So the first 4 or 5 exercises, if you see, all the movement was coming from the legs. So the very first exercise, only 15 seconds rest, and the second exercise itself almost hit my legs. So third or fourth exercise onwards, I slightly started to sweat. So yeah, exercises are good enough. He said it is for the beginners. Then for the beginners, it's going to be very tough. Me, I've been working out since a couple of years now, but still I felt a bit challenging here. I started sweating. Nice. I'm happy that I did this. So tomorrow I'm going to come with another exercise. Again, I'll search for how to build abs on YouTube, whichever video appears on the second based on popularity. I'm going to try this out. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.